Wednesday, the 6th of June 2018, 7:53 London. Alliance News. Stocks in London are set to open marginally higher on Wednesday on the back of US gains, despite the pound strengthening on positive UK economic news on Tuesday. IG says futures indicate the FTSE 100 index of large caps to open 6.60 points higher at 7,693.40 on Wednesday. The FTSE 100 index closed down 0.7% at 7,686.80 on Tuesday. Sterling was quoted at 1.3406 United States dollars early Wednesday, higher than 1.3348 United States dollars at the London equities close on Tuesday. The IHS Markit, Chartered Institute of Procurement. The index was forecast to improve to 53.0. Any reading above 50 indicates expansion in the sector. The latest score was the highest since February. The pound had a decent day after a better-than-expected services PMI number for May showed a significant improvement in economic activity, reinforcing the belief that the slowdown seen in March was no more than a cold weather-related blip, says Michael Hewson, chief market analyst at CMC Markets. A sharp rise in fuel prices in the past few weeks has also raised concerns that the Bank of England is underestimating inflation after the recent fall in the pound exacerbated the recent rise in the oil price to four-year highs. Some of the strength in sterling is being constrained by tensions over the upcoming vote on various Brexit bill amendments which are due to be debated next week in Parliament, Hewson adds. In the U.S. on Wednesday, Wall Street ended mostly higher, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average ending down 0.1%. BS. Activity in the U.S. service sector grew at a faster-than-expected rate in the month of May, according to a report released by the Institute for Supply Management on Tuesday. The ISM said its non-manufacturing index climbed to 58.6 in May from 56.8 in April, with a reading above 50 indicating growth in the service sector. Economists had expected the index to rise to 57.5. Tech stocks were once again responsible for any excitement on Wall Street. Netflix and Amazon jumping 1.9% and 1.1% respectively boosted the Nasdaq to close at a record high at 7,637. This is the second straight session where tech stocks have been under the spotlight, and we are seeing a lot of positive news surrounding the sector. Microsoft buying GitHub, Apple pushing new software, and Amazon sales flying, when everything else in the market is looking a little drab, says Jasper Lawler, head of research at London Capital. On Tuesday, Mexico announced import tariffs for U.S. farm and steel products in retaliation for U.S. tariffs on steel and aluminum products. The tariffs that were published in an official bulletin include 20% for pork, cheese, apples, ham and potatoes, and 25% for bourbon whiskey and fresh cheese. Tariffs were also imposed on steel products including plates, bars, rods and rolled steel, as well as motorboats. The UK corporate calendar has a trading statement from books, magazines and stationery retailer WH Smith and full-year results from plastic products firm RPC Group and flexible office space provider Workspace Group. The economic events calendar on Wednesday has South Africa Business Confidence Index data at 10:30 BST and U.S. trade data at 13:30 BST, already out. Ireland's service sector activity expanded at the fastest pace in 4 months in May, driven by strong increase in orders, survey data from IHS Markit showed. The seasonally adjusted InvestX Services Purchasing Managers Index rose to 59.3 in May from 58.4 in April. Any reading above 50 indicates expansion in the sector. In Asia on Wednesday, the Japanese Nikkei 225 index is up 0.4%. In China, the Shanghai Composite is down 0.1%, while the Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong is up 0.6%. By Daolanian at AllianceNews.com. Copyright 2018 Alliance News Limited. All rights reserved.